everyone. I'm Stephen Durham with the JCPS Digital Innovation Team. And this is Tech Tip Tuesday, and I'm going to show you two tips that hopefully will help your technology experience go better. One is how to split your screen to basically make two separate windows, and the other is how to broadcast during a meet a video using Present as Tab. So both of these kind of combine to make it so you can present a video, your kids can hear the video, and you can still see your students. So first thing we want to talk about is how we can change the view of windows and how many windows we have displayed on our screen. Now, as you see right now, I have my Google page open. I have my tabs up here, and there is some space. You see I have a bar up here and some space to the side. That's because I'm not in full screen. If you are in full screen, you want to look on your device for the escape key, ESC, and press that so that it escapes from that full screen presentation. Now, once you're out of full screen presentation, you can grab, if you look at my cursor, I can click and then drag and move around this window. And I can also, if you click in the corner when it makes the two arrow symbols, I can now resize my window. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize it and have, let's click off this. So I have two different windows on my screen. So I have that window, okay? So right now I'll be able to see everything I have on this. Now, how to open another window. Now I have a tab open here of a YouTube video that I want to show my students. So what we're going to do is, you can either make a new tab and drag that over, but I'm going to click on that and I'm doing a click and drag, and then I'm dragging down until it kind of unlocks from that top bar. And now I can just move it over here and I can resize it. So if you ever need to have two windows open on your device at the same time, which I find I frequently need to do, that's kind of a trick on how to do that. And hopefully you will find that helpful. So now let's say that you're actually in a meet. So I'm going to go to my meet tab, and you want to present the video that you have in the other window. So I'm going to click present now, and you see if the best for video and animation is to present a tab. So I'm going to click on that. And now it has different tabs that I have open. If you look up top at the tabs, you can kind of see the names. So there's new tab, there's mail, but right over here I have how students log into Clever. And then I see that tab right there. You can identify if it's a YouTube video, it'll have that YouTube symbol. So I'm going to click there and then click share. So now the students are going to be seen, they'll see everything over here, but I am able to see them, and I am able to see the video that I am showing them. And also you want to make sure that this presentation audio is on. So this way, it's the best way for the students to be able to hear. If you've ever played a video and they said they can't hear, if you present this way, they should be able to hear. So then I can go ahead and play. And the students will be able to hear that, and anybody I was in the meet with I would be able to see them as well. So when the video is done, you can stop, and then you can go back to present. So we're going to stop presenting. And then I want to go back and present my whole screen or a window, and I could choose this window, but let's go back to presenting whole screen. And then I can close this one out and kind of stretch my screen by grabbing that corner back in. And now I am back to presenting my whole screen, and the students are seeing everything on this screen. So that is how to split screen into two separate windows, and also how to present a video using the tab feature of Google Meets. Hopefully you found these tips helpful, and they will be listed on the Digital Learning channel under the Tech Tip playlist. Thank you very much. Take care.